You know, it is all about the economy, stupid, and some of our premier presidents got elected based on how it was faring. I want to go into this with Bill McGurn, the Wall Street Journal editorial board member, a former chief speechwriter for President George W. Bush, and it's always good having you, Bill, but the one thing I think of with this hit that we got in the markets today, and who knows how long it lasts, I know markets are crazy, but this perception of another meltdown. I'm thinking 2008, the environment that, helped Barack Obama break Republicans' hold of the White House. That meltdown really made it happen, didn't it?
Yeah, I think the problem, as you say, we don't know how serious, if it's the beginning of something bigger, but it adds to the nervousness. People already don't buy Bidenomics. I think the thing that the administration has not dealt with, what's really on people's minds is that inflation may be coming down, but prices are still a lot higher than when he took over. And now you add this, it just makes him feel insecure and uncertain.
Yeah, and I was even thinking of Bill Clinton challenging George H.W. Bush. And ironically, we learned back then the economy actually was turning around, but too little too late for Americans to realize it. And George H.W. Bush was a one-termer. What do you make of that and people's perceptions? Because that's everything.
Well, that was, remember, he looked puzzled at the scanner in the supermarket. It made him look out of touch, made him look out of touch with the American people. And I think Joe Biden did this. They constantly were selling Bidenomics, saying things are fantastic, and people didn't believe it. You know, it made them look out of touch. Their attitude was, if you were smart enough, you would appreciate how smart we are and what a good job we're doing. It didn't sell. They stopped using it.
Yeah. You know, it's interesting, too, about what Ronald Reagan was running. He kept it down to this. Do you feel better off? Are you better off than you were 4 years ago taking on Jimmy Carter? That was all he had to say. America said, no, we don't.
Well, you also had the misery index and, inflation, which was really out of hand then. And the problem with Jimmy Carter, he didn't look like he knew what to do. He didn't look like he was in control or had a plan.
Yeah, and it hurt him. I can even go back to FDR taking on Herbert Hoover. It didn't help that we were knee-deep in a depression and markets careening out of control. That was sewn up before they even got to Election Day, wasn't it?
Yeah, I agree. Now, I don't remember that firsthand as I do the other examples, but that's my memory.
I was covering it at the time, yeah.
That's my memory, too. I think people want someone who looks like they have the answer, and usually one guy looks like he doesn't have the answer, doesn't know what he's doing.
That's right, and that seals the deal. And we'll say it could be too early to characterize this market and this environment the same way. But people are talking about it, and we'll be talking about it this weekend. In the meantime, that'll do it for us here.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.